So on the channel today, we are going to try and get the Civic running. Don't know if you're new here or whether you've watched from the start, but we bought this car very cheap. It's been sat for about 4 or 5 years. Hadn't heard it run, but we managed to get it running, gave it service, and it does have an idle issue. So after looking online, that seems to be fairly common. Once it's started to warm up, it hunts a lot. I will add a video in just after this, but I think we're gonna pull the throttle body off, give everything a clean, and hopefully that sorts it out. But stick around and you shall see. Also, massively appreciate all the subscribers, all the likes, all the comments. Make sure you do click subscribe down below. There's a lot more to come on the channel. I've got quite a lot of plans, but first up, the Civic needs to be done and then I can get something else in. But yeah, make sure you are subscribed, make sure you click like and ping me a comment. Right, we're about a week later. Actually ended up with man flu. Still not the best, but let's get into it. Let's see what we got to do. So it looks fairly simple. We take the intake off, a couple of plugs, and then it seems to be 4 bolts, throttle cable, and then that whole assembly comes off. But I'll set you up and we'll get that off and then we will go from there. Right, so that's the top of the airbox off. So a couple of plugs, throttle cable, and then a few more bolts. Let's get them off. Right, top nut is a 12mm. That can wrap round. So I think we are just left with the 4 13mm bolts. I've not taken one of these off before, so there could be some more, but we'll get them out and then we'll go from there. Right, so that's that out. There was actually a couple of pipes underneath. This one here, and then this one here was underneath, which you couldn't actually see, but I managed to get them off. So yeah, here it is. So we'll give it a strip down, we'll give it a clean, and then hopefully that runs a bit better. Right, so that is throttle body off. So the usual culprit on these is the idle control valve unit down here. So there is a magnet in there which then spins the control valve inside. These get stuck. You can take this off and spin it around, clean it up, and that should fix it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace it, just because it has been sat for a while, and whilst this is all off, I'd rather just put a new part on. So let's get it on. Right, so got one screw here, and then we have a new part. It took a few days to arrive, but we'll get that on here now. Right, so there's the old one, and here's the new one. Handy. Got it. Cool, there it is. Right, so now that is that on there, we will go and get it on the car. It's going to be the same as taking it off. So this goes in here, 4 13mm bolts, a couple of plugs. Right, so that's that plug, that plug, that plug, that pipe there, pipe right down the bottom there, going to the idle control valve. Put the breather back on, so we've just got to do the throttle cable. Right, cool, that's everything in, airbox in, pipe on, throttle body in, so see we'll start. I think before we start it, I'm just going to grab the auto, plug it in, see if there's any codes come up, because we have unplugged quite a lot, just clear everything, and then hopefully it runs a bit better. Let's see. Winner. Let's get it started. Awesome, cool. Right, we've got it running nice, so I'm going to leave that one there, and then next video we're going to get it on the ramp and see if we made a mistake in buying this car. We'll see how rotten it is, but for now, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.